Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Lesson 45, dividing by multiples of 10. In this lesson, we will begin to divide by two-digit numbers that are multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. In later lessons, we will practice dividing by other two-digit numbers. We will continue to follow our 4 steps of the division algorithm: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. The divide step is more difficult when dividing by two-digit numbers because we may not quickly recall two-digit multiplication facts. To help us divide by a two-digit number, we may think of dividing by the first digit first. To help us divide, we are going to look at this example, 75 divided by 30. So the first digit is the 3 and the 7. So we do 7 divided by 3. 3 can go into 7 2 times. We put that 2 in the in the ones spot because 30 can't go into 75 20 times. It can go into it 2 times. 2 times 30 is 60. And then that gives us a remainder of 15. You always have to double check your answer. 2 times 30 is 60 plus 15, our remainder is 75. Double check that. It is important to place the digits in the quotient properly. Star this. Example 1. There were 454 chairs placed with 30 chairs in each row except the last row. How many chairs were in the last row? So you're going to do 454 divided by 30. Okay, so 30 can't go into 4 at all. So we know that there's not going to be anything in the tens place. But in the ones place, 30 can go into 45 one time. So 454 take away 45, we deal with one digit. If you can't divide 30 by your first digit, then you've got to put an X over that digit and move on to the next digit, okay? Then you look at two digits. Can 30 go into 45? Yes. How many times? One time. 30 can go into 45 one time. 45 divided by 30 is 15. Then you bring down, okay? Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Bring down the 4 to make that 15, 154. 30 can go into 154 4 times, okay? And then you're going to take away 150, and your answer is, it can go into it 5 times. I'm sorry. 5 times. So you put that up here. 15 with a remainder of 4. So 15 rows with 4 chairs in the last row. Example 2. Mr. Young had 18 orange trees that produced 782 pounds of oranges. How many pounds of oranges were produced by each tree approximately? So estimate. So you're going to do 700. You're going to estimate that 18 is about 20. And 782 is about 800. So you're going to do 800 divided by 20. Can 20 go into 8? No. Place an X in that spot. Can 20 go into 80? Yes. How many times? 4 times. And then you do bring down your 0, and you it can go, and then you bring, since that's a perfect number and you're just bringing down this 0, you can actually bring up your 0, okay, because there's nothing else to add that 0 to, but you've still got it there. So about 40 pounds each tree. Example 3. Mia bought 20 bread rolls for $4.60. What was the cost of each roll? When you're dividing money by a whole number, you have to place the decimal point right above the decimal place. That's the first thing you do. Okay, I'm going to do this one with you again because I already had done it, but I'm going to do it with you again so you can see it. Okay, $4.60 divided by 20. The first thing you do is place that decimal point there. Can 20 go into 4? No. So you already know that that's going to be $0. Then you ignore the decimal point and divide just as you would divide normally with the whole numbers. By adding the 0 before the decimal point, you're going to save your spot. Okay, then how many times can 20 go into 46? 2, take away 40 gives us 6. And how many times can 20 go into 6? 0, but you got to bring down that 0. How many times can 20 go into 60? 2, 4, 6. 3 times. So your answer is 23 cents per roll. Okay? Have a great day.